Coach, can you walk us through what it feels like to get your first conference win?
Yeah, it's huge. It's huge, especially after you start with a team like St. Thomas, and you have to travel to St. Thomas, so you start off 0-1. So in the MIAC, every game's a dogfight, and you've got to get a win. You got to get a win under your belt, because 3 points, ultimately last year, was the difference between 4th place, 3rd place, and also all the way down to 7th place. So it's massive for us to pick up 3 points.
How did the team improve from your first conference game to this one?
I think we worked a little harder, we finished better. We had a couple chances that we just put away, and that made the difference in the game.
I actually think we had a bit of a down game, and all due respect to Hamlin, I think that Hamlin's a good team. But that was probably our worst performance of the year. I thought we played really well against St. Thomas and just didn't produce goal-scoring opportunities, and had a goal called back in that game. But this game, you know, the improvements weren't quite there yet. We're trying to layer in an attack, and as we added that final layer in training this week, we lost a couple key ingredients to playing well.
Can you walk us through those 2 goals and what went right?
Sure, yeah. You know, anytime you can put a ball inside the box and you're a goalkeeper with some players around it, you're gonna have fortune. The second goal was a great ball, a through ball into a channel for Dylan running onto it, and Dylan Wong did a great job to round the corner, beat a guy inside the 18, and he was taken down in the box. So Austin Burrows stepping up, cool as a cucumber, and finishes it and gets his 2nd goal of the game.
And how does this team need to improve moving forward?
It's consistency now. You know, we've been pretty consistent this year, but now it's believing in that we have a good team and putting a stamp on every game. Because this game we didn't put that onto the game, and I think we need to. The teams that are in the middle of the MIAC, we need to really impress our game upon them and take it to a team like that. And if we want to be in the playoffs, we've got to really put it to that team.
All right, thanks, Coach.
Yep.